reading for the sign of Capricorn. So all that I need to know moving forward. So let's see what you guys are going through for the next 2 weeks. So what you guys have been through and what's to come for Capricorn for the next 2 weeks period. Right now with Queen of Cups, you do have feelings for someone, you are thinking of someone, you still have emotions for this person. Okay, in the recent past as well, I believe some of you could have tried to reach out. Okay, you could have tried to connect on some which level. One more card. Let's come for Capricorn the next 2 weeks. With Knight of Wands, I do feel someone coming forward. Okay, but the problem is this person could have more than one option. Okay, and the energy that they're coming forward with is very sexual. It's not very like someone who wants commitment. It's more like I want to have fun kind of energy. Okay, in terms of your relationship, what's the overall energy going to be for Capricorn? In terms of your relationship, I do feel with Four of Cups in the reverse, many of you guys are going to either decide to be a part of it or give up on it, but or you guys are going to make a decision. Even if you have those feelings, have that passion for this individual, you are still going to decide. You are still going to possibly want to either end it forever or move it forward by taking action maybe. Okay, in terms of your person, what are they going through? Capricorn soulmate, what are they going through? So we have the Four of Pentacles. This person has been holding back, okay, holding back a lot. And even if they are messaging you, they are not opening up completely. They are trying to play safe. Okay, with Ten of Wands in the reverse in the past, I do believe this person could have out of nowhere, ghosted you, giving you the reason that they are too busy in their life or they have too much to look forward to or too much to take care of. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they think about you now? How do they really think about you, Capricorn soulmate? In terms of how do they think about you, I believe this person could have tried to move on from you or get away from you. There's distance. If it's not physical distance, there's emotional distance, and this person has been emotionally distant from you for a while. Okay, they haven't been coming forward. They haven't been willingly bringing like communication or any sort of energy towards you. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they think about Capricorn now? How do they really think about Capricorn? With Knight of Swords, I do believe this person does want to come forward, but the problem is they might not exactly open up emotionally. It's a come and go energy, so this person might definitely want to come forward, might want to ask you a few questions here and there, but the problem is will they stay? Okay, in terms of their intention, one card for their intentions towards Capricorn now. In terms of their intention with the Fool card, they do have an intention of coming forward. If they have option, mind you, they might not give you commitment, but they will want to extend themselves towards you. Okay, one card for in terms of action. What action they want to take towards you now? In terms of action. Okay, we have the Five of Cups in the reverse. So this person, in terms of action, I believe they might possibly apologize for whatever shit that they have put you through. Okay, I don't see a very strong action coming from their side, but apology might definitely come. Okay, one card. What can you expect out of this? Persons. What can you expect out of this person in terms of the connection? Okay, with Two of Swords, and they are going to give you some bits of idea where this is going with you. Okay, and based on that, you are going to decide whether you want to be a part of it or you want to let go of it. Okay, in terms of their feelings, one card for how do they truly feel for Capricorn? How do they truly feel for Capricorn? Okay, So we have two of wands, bottom card page of pentacles. This person never really gave you much. They were always breadcrumbing you. They were definitely attracted to you. They were liking you a lot. But when it came to giving emotionally, they did not do that. Reason being, they always had another option in the picture. That always kind of blocked them from completely 100% devoting themselves to you. Okay. One card for their heart space. What's happening in terms of their heart space? In terms of their heart space, it's blocked. They are closing it off. They are not wanting to open it up. Okay. This person behaves all detached, all hurt, all full of I would say drama rather. It's just that they have all this self pity where they feel all the bad things only happen to them. That kind of energy. Okay, I can't deal with this, and I'm not in the right energy to be part of a relationship. I'm not sure if I can do this. That sort of energy. One card for their mind space. What's happening in terms of Capricorn? How are they thinking about Capricorn and feeling about Capricorn? One card for that, please, Spirit. With the Devil card, in terms of their mind, they cannot let go of you. They could not move on from you. They could not get away from you. Okay. So one card for how do they view you now? How do they truly view you now? They feel like you are walking away, or you have got away, or you are getting away. Okay. With the Chariot, you have completely stopped taking action towards them. You've been acting detached. You've been acting unbothered. With the Tower card, they look at this as a breakup or something that is, basically they feel like you guys have drifted apart. Okay. One card for what do they want from this connection now? What do they really want from this connection? We have the Wheel of Fortune. So they do want this connection to move forward. Okay, but they are not going to put in that serious effort, but they do want it in some which manner to move forward. Okay. One card for what outcome do they want with you now? What outcome do they really want with you? Just like I've told you, this person is definitely going to hold on to this. They might not give in terms of action, but they'll definitely want to hold on to this. Okay, where is this connection going for now? Where is this connection possibly going for now for Capricorn and their person? The next, let's take the 20th of the month. Where do we see this going, Spirit? With Ace of Wands, so you guys might get some bits of communication, but the person is going to behave very, very controlling. I see a lot of sexual energy. I do not see emotional energy. So I see your person being very sexually interested, but when it comes to emotions, feelings, they are not ready to open up, neither invest emotionally. Okay. So in terms of what's blocking the connection or what's getting in the way, what's getting in the way is the past breakup or whatever you guys have been through together. Okay. Selected few of you, your person would have chosen their job over you, or something different over you, something else over you. So that could have got in the way. What else should my dear Capricorns be knowing about this person? Okay. Let's take it slow. This person definitely wants to take it slow. They are not wanting to possibly level it up on any which side. Okay. One more card. Past life karma. Some of you, this person could be just a part of an experience, just a part of a lesson. Okay, not for all, but for some of you, it could be that you are just you had to meet this person just to clear off your past karma, life karma. One more card. What should you be knowing about this connection moving forward, Capricorn? You do mean a lot to them, but the problem is they're not willing to put in that effort. Okay, so I still see you guys being in communication, sexual things going on. It's just that emotionally I don't see anything, darling. Okay, but if you are wanting to have fun with this person is open. But if you're wanting an emotional relationship, that seems unlikely for now. Okay, this is all I have for you. If it connected, resonated, please kindly hit the like button. That's how you support the channel. Subscribe, comment. If you want a personal reading, come to me for personal reading through either WhatsApp or through my website, and I could guide you on that. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.